Okay, so here's a short video. I did the deck boxes. Got rid of my toolbox because this thing holds so much more. I got this one used and they've improved them, the decked boxes, and there's a couple things I don't like. One, it kind of eliminates your bed. I mean, I can carry wood, I can carry sheetrock, but other than, you know, small thin stuff, a shovel, things like that, it pretty much eliminates your bed. Now, these are supposed to store up to 2,000 pounds, so, you know, I could still put some, you know, a pallet of something in there. They must have really been conscious of the dimensions, because that is still usable, my trailer plug. And it's held in with some, they used to be J-bolts, but these are little, they used to be turnbuckles. Now this is a J-bolt, and there's a plastic nut in there. Super heavy duty plastic, some kind of composite material. It's a really, really nice design, but the two flaws are, one, you lose your bed height, and that's really not a big deal. They could have made these shorter. But here's the big flaw. So, rolls out beautifully, comes all the way out, and that's it. So, you're left with, back there, almost 4 feet of storage that you can't get to. It's pretty ridiculous. And you can have both of these out, but you can see how hard it would be to get something. So that forces me to carry another tool, a grabber. And you know, it's great because you can reach in there and you can grab the stuff that slides and pull it forward. But and I'm gonna line this thing in a little bit. But it really is annoying. I wish you could modify it, but you can't. And the reason you can't modify it is because these rollers, which are beautiful, stop right here. There's your stop. So they could have made this track longer, gone back another foot. And I'm sure they were worried about, you know, the weight, that if you put that much weight on it, maybe it would tip or something, but I just don't see how that's possible. They could have made it so you could only open one at a time, and maybe that would help stabilize it. And the new version, it comes out and you only lose 18 inches back there. And 18 inches is a reasonable amount. I mean, you're only gonna lose this much, you could reach that. But when you're talking about, you know, 4 feet, that's just not a good design. I still love this thing. And, you know, I don't have to worry about locking, because you throw your tailgate up, and on the Ram, you lock the tailgate. And most trucks these days, you lock the tailgate and you can't get in there. So that is that. But if you have a Ram and you don't know this yet, all the Ram tailgates come with two little balls underneath here. And those balls are mounting points for a damper. And the damper's 40 bucks. Because I've seen those aftermarket dampers that you mount here and drill, and it's a little monkey business there going on, when you can get the factory damper and take this tail light out, and then you snap it in place, and then it gives you this. So there's your little golden nugget for watching to the end. Thanks for watching How to Heaven, and I'm gonna try to get the videos going again. Have a good day.